about what we teach our kids about money.
Sorry, I was looking at the screen.
Can't turn this video off. Hey guys, it's Allison.
And Jared.
And we're gonna talk today about what we teach our kids about money. Our kids, when they were 10 and 13, made their first 6 figures, and we've had a lot of people ask us what we do to teach our kids about money. So if you're ready, don't forget to like, share,
Subscribe.
all that social
All that good stuff.
Let's get started.
All right, so here's the number one thing on our list of 7 of great things to teach your kids. First one is really the idea of understanding that success isn't free. We have 2 little boys that just absolutely love Legos. They'll build, play with them all day long. And what we've noticed, sometimes we'll buy them a Lego set and they enjoy it for a little bit, but when they have to save up and earn their own money and pay for their own set, it means something more to them. They take care of it, they seem to put it away. Actually, and I don't step on it in the middle of the night.
The second thing we teach our kids is if they want it, they can go get it. They have the ability to make money to be able to buy whatever they want. You know, when you're walking through the store and they're like, Mom, I want this. I want this. Mom, can I have this? I always say, yes, you can have it. You just have to be able to earn the money to buy it. And then they start thinking in their head, okay, how am I gonna do that? And I can see the wheels start turning for them to be able to get the stuff that they want to. And so they know that they literally can have anything in this world that they want. It's just gonna take work to be able to get that. All right, we had to leave and go to the airport. I'm at the airport and I don't have socks on. Does anybody else have the heebie-jeebies when they go through the airport with just their feet, like no socks? I think I might go buy some like Disney socks or something to get me through. Over there, heebie-jeebies all over the floor. Oh.
That's why some of us come with socks on.
I forgot mine, and I couldn't fit them in my suitcase either. It's like overflowing. We got through airport security. Jared gave me some of his socks, so I'm a happy camper. So we're on to number 3. Jared, do you want to do 3?
So we've taught them to save for things that they may need or want in the future, and to give. We think that as you give, you definitely receive, and I think it's a great principle to teach them, just to save and share.
Number 4, you need to love people that you serve, but you need to be able to create a barrier, because you're always going to get people that don't agree with you, that say mean things to you, and they say sticks and stones can break my bones, but words will never hurt. Guess what? Words can hurt. So we teach them that if words come, they need to create a barrier to be able to bounce off of them so that they don't internalize that. One day Davis came home from school crying, and a little kid, or another little kid in his class, called him fat. If you've seen Davis, he's like tiny, tiny, tiny. And so we had to explain that to him. And so as they grow and as they get bigger and as they start building their businesses and learn more about money and how the world works, being able to create that barrier where they can feel safe, and if mean words are coming in, they know how to bounce it off. I think that's huge in helping them be successful.
Tip number 5, I think we're on tip number 5.
Yeah, 5.
All right. So the one I was thinking of is you can really create money and create opportunity with just about anything. There's money everywhere. There's money in anything. And so we really want them to be able to understand that they can make money doing something that they love. Like, you have something inside, some gift that other people want you to share with them, and you can make money with it, I think.
On to number 6, money doesn't make you happy. It's the journey that makes you happy. So when our kids are like, oh, if I could just have enough money to buy this new Lego set, I'll be so happy. You know what? No. We're trying to teach them to be happy in the moment and happy with that journey, because once they get that Lego set or whatever it is that they want, then they're gonna be on to something new, and they'll never be able to find that happiness. Yeah, we keep them hungry. We want them to be excited and motivated to get the things they want to, but we also want them to find that happiness along their journey. And that's something that Jared and I have had to learn too, that it is like, it's not when we make the first million or the second million, whatever that number is, right? It's the journey that makes
the growth along the journey.
And what we've learned and what we can share, that that's what makes us happy. That's what makes us internally happy, is being able to share it and
Paging Anna Marie Wilson.
Anna Marie Wilson.
Ruining our video.
She's ruining our video right now. Back to the love people,
Yeah, we're trying.
except for the announcers at the airport that ruin our video. All right, do you want to do the last one?
Sure. Tip number 7. Ready for it? It's the big one.
Yep,
Okay.
it's a good one too.
It's about solving problems. You can really do things in your business that help solve problems. From anything, like if our daughter wanted to play the trumpet forever, how could she relieve other people's headaches or bottlenecks if they want to play the trumpet as well? Or get better at it, teach others how to play the trumpet.
Yeah, and even if you're a product-based business, when like we have our products in e-commerce, like we think, how can this product solve someone's problem, or how can it be a service to them and make their lives better? That, I think, that goes to a lot of what we sell. We do sell the trending products, but we also try and figure out a way to help that product make that person's life better. And we teach that to our kids a lot too. When they're like, we want to sell this, we want to sell this. Okay, how are you going to make that person's life better? Why is your product going to change their life or bring them a smile? And that helps them to double think about what they're wanting to sell. Okay, that's all 7. We hope you like them. Go teach your kids about entrepreneurship. Talk about money. All right, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Good job. All right, talk to you guys later.